S401 refurbished machine. It is really this one. Maybe you wouldn't recognize that it's refurbished. Here we are talking about the machine, year of construction 1998. So what we do is we buy these machines from customers. We made a trade-in. We disassemble the machine completely. As you can see, we make a complete repainting. We change the gearbox, we change the ball screw spindle, we check all hydraulic cylinders, replace if necessary. We check the drive motors or replace it. And we grind the table or even replace the table, as you see over here. And also we equip the machine with the latest Siemens S7 control. So instead of any push buttons, you have a S7 1500 control with a touch screen, latest version of Siemens. The machines are available as automatic machines that you see over here, even possible to adapt with an automatic sorting system on the outfeed side. If you look at the bottom, the gearbox, hydraulic cylinders, everything in a like a new condition. And if you move to the back side, also over here, the switchboard cabinet that is completely updated with the latest Siemens or more components, cleaned up with a 6 months parts warranty that we give for these refurbished machines.
And how many of these do you sell a year?
We sell in average like 40 to 50 machines, semi-automatic and automatic.
And you're putting out a price list every 2 weeks and X stock ready to go?
Exactly, that is what we do. We have a stock list of machines available, X stock. We also have 200 plus non-refurbished machines. So whenever you have a demand of a machine, feel free to contact us. We will take one out of the stock and make it nice for you.
And Rene, how long have you been doing this with Kaltenbach?
I'm working for Kaltenbach since 23 years now. We took over this company 2 years ago. Profiltech, the name, which is part of the Kaltenbach group now.
Hey, thanks so much, Rene. Much appreciated. Cheers, mate. Ciao, ciao.